Hey, it's Biddy Penny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. So I'm sitting here, it's Friday night, and I'm watching Mary Gunn and a guest on the Craft Roulette show. It's live on Facebook every Friday night at 6:30 Central. And I guess it's been the last month that I've been watching, and it's like such a fun show to watch that I missed it last week, and I was actually sad that I missed the live. She does have a replay that posts on Saturdays at noon, I think. Anyway, she's here on YouTube. It's called Craft Roulette with Mary Gunn, and it is just so much fun. Funn, right, Mary? So this week, tonight, she spun the wheel, and it gave a slimline card, bouquet, black and white +1 color, and dry embossing. So, well, that was all kind of just right up my alley. And I am crafting along with her and all of her lovely guests and live friends. And I'm making this card as she's making her cards. And it just feels so fun to everyone be using the same things but doing something completely different. You know, it's just so much fun. So anyways, this last 2 times that I've watched, I have tried to have my card completed by the time the show is over, just as a little challenge to myself. Plus, I know that if I don't just do it kind of right there on the spot, then it might not get made. So anyone can submit cards, and submitting cards is just for fun. And you do it at her website. It's a very easy process, and it has to be submitted within 48 hours of the show. So Sunday evening is the deadline. And then she shares the cards like on Facebook, I think, in a group. I don't really do Facebook that much. And then she shares the cards in the next live show. So that's really fun. You can also tag her on Instagram at Craft Roulette. So what I did today is I brought in this black and white paper. It was double-sided. It was really hard to pick a side. I embossed this wood grain paper, and then I did some swinking of a gray ink. So I wanted to just do gray, since that fits with the black and white. You know, it's just a lighter shade of black. And then I built that die that you see there. That's the Tallulah girl from Spellbinders. And now, of course, I have to do the inside of the card too. So I just took my scrap, what I had left over. If you're curious about the size of my card, it's 9 1/4 by 3 3/4. So when I make a slimline card, I like to take up all the real estate that business size envelope can hold. I max it out because that's what I like to do. So I am gluing down these scraps, and I did bring in these pearlized doilies. Like, I'm surprised you don't see them in every video because I pull them out all the time. I had some leftover flowers. This die set comes with leaves too, but I didn't really want pink leaves because that would be look like, I don't know, loose petals or something. So I just recently got this sticker book, which you're going to see in a haul, but I'm using it now. So I thought it had some fun sentiments, and I really, again, I'm trying to stay within the timeline of the show. So I didn't necessarily want to pull out a bunch of stamps. And I thought of these stickers, and they're a blush pink, so it was kind of perfect. And Mary, the host of the show, the genius behind all of this, she has a birthday coming up, evidently. She mentioned in the show tonight. So that kind of inspired me to make a birthday card. And then I picked these words out thinking of her So yeah, I essentially made her a birthday card during her show tonight. And I was so elated when she shared her address because now I can actually send it to her. I'm really excited about that. So I stuck this sticker down, and even in camera, it doesn't look right, the coloration. I mean, in person, it's much closer than it appears on camera, but it's still not quite right. So I don't get very far before I peel that up. And then what I'm going to do is, you guys may already know this, but I keep like a thank you stamp and a birthday stamp and some flower stamps on my desk at all times for moments like these. So I just grab that off the top of my desk, and I'm going to stamp this crooked, and that's okay because it's still fun. And I know Mary won't mind. And yeah, that's my card. Essentially, I'm going to add some very pretty pink like baubles to the card. These are from Cat Scrappiness. And I just really need to add some centers to the flowers. And of course, if I had more flexibility in the parameters, then I would have maybe added a different color, which is kind of funny because I actually really like this tone-on-tone look. So that's not something I would have normally gone for, and I'm glad that I had to stick within it. I also kind of tested it here to see if I like it on the cheeks, and I do. So I'm going to add one each to her cheeks. And that's it. I'm done with this card. So I did sew on some seam binding, which, you guys, one day I'll share with y'all my wall of seam binding. So again, here are the parameters. You can check out the video tomorrow on Mary's channel. And thanks for coming by and watching. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. And I just figured if I was playing along and making a card, I would turn the camera on for you guys. I'm so thankful to have y'all here. Hi, Susan. Hi, Christina. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Katie. Hi, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I really just enjoy this channel, and I enjoy all of the conversations we have in the comments down below. So chat me up, and I'll hit you back. Bye.